This was literally y'all, this was the hardest hairstyle I've ever done in my life. And honestly, you guys see this wig, it's just ridiculous. So this is the wig I'm gonna be revamping and using for this tutorial. This wig is from MsLynn hair. It's 24 inches, Peruvian, and I believe 150 density. I'll link everything down below just in case I forget any specs. But yeah, to get the color, it actually came black, but I used honey blonde first by Dark and Lovely, and then I went in with light golden blonde a second time, like after doing the honey blonde the first time, because it wasn't light enough for me. And I used 2 boxes of honey blonde and then 2 boxes of light golden blonde. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have my bald cap ready. Usually I would use a bald cap that's more like matches my skin tone a little better, but this is what I had in my house, so this is what we're about to work with for today. I'm also not gonna do the bald cap method. I'm gonna do this method where I just put the cap on like this and just put the glue like in front of my hairline. I mean, sorry, I don't use glue, but our got to be in front of your hairline. It'll be fine because it's gel. So yeah, y'all see I still have all my edges. So if your edges come out, don't blame me, because I don't know what you was over there doing, but I washed her, I blow dried her, so now we're about to put her on, and then we are going to straighten her. I don't have any popsicle sticks, so we're just gonna be real ghetto. This is my edge brush. I use this side of my edge brush and I just lay the glue, this is not glue, the gel, across my forehead, and I blow dry it, and then I, you know what I'm saying, secure the lace. I work sections by sections. I do the mid, I usually start in the middle. All right, y'all, so now that this is dry, all 3 layers is dry, now we're going to actually put the wig down. So now that our wig is on our head, we're gonna go back in and add some foundation. This is my little brush that I use. Okay, so after my wig's on my head, I pin my hair back with 2 pins or whatever, and I put on a foam strip or wrap strip, whatever you want to call it. The Rapid styling strips, they look like this. You can get these anywhere. The beauty supply, you can get these wherever. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy Remington flat iron, y'all. This flat iron is bomb and it's only $20. I'm gonna link it down below. I got this from Target. I'm trying to turn the flat iron on and it's definitely not even plugged in. Okay. It goes up to 410 degrees. I use it on 410. And it has like this lock and unlock thing. So it's locked right now. Now it's open. So let's get into it. So let me, y'all, I'm so nervous to do these things. Okay, so Also, working with the rat tail comb is probably best, but I don't have one right now. That's why I'm using this comb. Okay, I think this is a good enough section. You guys, I'm gonna give you guys free game real fast, okay? Number 1, if you want thick like Nicki Minaj Black China bangs, go ahead and part, you know, across your head. But what people don't be knowing is when you cut hair, it spreads. So that's why I'm starting off with a little section, because I'm going for like a fringe look, like something real light, not heavy like the Nicki Minaj Black China type bangs. I want a fringe. So this is just what I'm gonna do, and I start with the middle part because it's just easier, and I actually want a middle part in my bangs, just not as adamant. So I'm gonna, so you see my 2 sections, right? So I'm gonna take my pressing comb and I'm going to straighten it like this until this middle part disappears. It's hot. Until this middle part disappears. And then we're gonna start cutting. So now I'm gonna start by twisting the hair. This is just to give it like an even cut. I'm gonna start cutting low, okay? If you cut high, your bangs are gonna look crazy. And if the hair is gone, sis, the hair is gone. It's not coming back. So, you know, you always wanna start longer than shorter until you get it to like your desired length. So I'm gonna just cut to like right here, because clearly I don't want my bangs this long, right? So then we're just gonna go. So now we're gonna go back in, twist a little bit more. We're gonna cut some more. We're gonna cut like right here, because that's still, you know, longer than what I would like. Okay. Yeah, I'm so nervous doing this. I'm so nervous doing this, you guys. Okay, we're gonna cut one more time because clearly this is still too long. This time, I am so nervous. Oh, I'm so nervous, you guys. Okay. So, you see I have about this much left, right? I'm gonna just barely, when I say barely cut it, we're gonna really go little by little now because you don't wanna mess it up. Okay, let's see where this lands now. Okay. You guys, you're gonna get hair everywhere, okay? So, okay. We're gonna go in one more time. Twisting the hair helps, like, okay, I'm barely gonna cut anything off of this. Like, barely. I did it. Wow. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with our flat iron and we're just gonna bump the ends just to see how this sits on our face. You don't have to bump it like as much as me. So now you're gonna take your scissors and you're going to cut upwards. Like so. Because you don't want it to be like a straight line. And I need these a little shorter, but I didn't want to cut like this because if you cut like this, it's over with. See? Looks much better. I added some, like a little bit of my Lotta Body setting foam to get them a little more flatter on my forehead, because I was going with the flatter and it was, I almost burned myself. I was like, hell no. I think I just made it work. You know what? I'm gonna stop now, you guys, because I'm clearly getting scissor happy, and that's just not how that goes. So, wow, I think I just messed it up. Well, now I gotta do this side. Now I'm really gonna mess it up. It's not supposed to be straight like that. Yeah. Oh, this side look. You guys. This is the final look. Super cute. I didn't like it at first, but I think we might have just met China or something. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want to see more hair tutorials, no matter how hard it is, we're gonna do it for y'all. But just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.